The Peoplemover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of Tomorrowland. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Mickey Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy.
That's right. It's at this town.
Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world. Your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel Progress. Inside this rotating theater, 4 families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better.
Welcome to all Space Rangers. This is Buzz Lightyear. Report your summer cruiser and join me on this daring space. Next thing you know,
after their after at Monsters Incorporated, so drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.